What I'm going to show you now is something that, as a homeopath, anything and everything you dream of to make your practice truly digital, to manage your patient extremely efficiently, to know your earning reports, everything, you will be seeing all of this in this single place on your own website. You got a username password, you have come into a Welcome Cure environment, the CRM, the EMR module of yourself. Okay. And this is only what you see is of your website. So as you can see here, there are about 18 patients registered in this website. Okay, so there are these 18 patients that you see here, in which there are 10 patients who are just leads, which means they just registered, not paid as yet. If I click on patients, you'll see there are 8 patients who have paid also. And you can see which plan they have taken: 6 months, 12 months, 1 month. Okay. Now, if you see, there's a simple menu list with about 5 features and functionalities. So we are in patient list. You can see it's highlighted here. So we are into the patient section with leads, patients, all. Then assume you get a call from a patient and you want that patient to be treated online. You simply go on the create contact section and you can do it yourself. Or if you want to now digitize the record of your patients, clinic patients, physical clinic, they may not be paying online on your online website, but you want their record to be completely digital. You can open this website of yours. You can, once you log in, you can use the create contact section and put all the details of the patient here. Okay. And you are going to be able to create a digital record of that patient. Now, whenever you need any support from us, that, hey, look, I'm going out for a week and please do follow-ups of all my patients, you simply have to say, I am out of practice. Please do all my follow-ups. And once you send submit, we'll automatically, all your support team members will get, who are assigned to you, will get a message and they will be doing the requirement. Now on your website, there is a contact us section. So anybody who will click on that, you will be able to see those messages in this system itself. And then going on this important section, the earning reports. So here you will be able to see the total earnings. If say there is, say for example, $7,000 of earning that has come, and say Welcome Cure has paid to you also the amount transferred to your account. So total amount settled. What is pending will also show here, and you can choose whether you want to see today's earning, past 1 month, past 3 months, 6 months, or if you want to set a completely customized period from X date to Y date. So you are able to see all of this. So now what we are doing is, somebody is a paid patient. In this case, let's get into the patient Yogesh Thakuria. Okay, you click on this icon and you will now be able to do an ocean of functionalities, tons of functionalities in and around this patient. So, the patient's contact details, who is the support doctor, your name, when was the first consultation, everything comes here. When all did the consultations happen? So as you see here, the entire listing is coming here. Okay. It was done by you, or the name of the support doctor which is doing it. All comes here. The chief complaints, constipation and gases, diagnosis. Now, the case history part, it's very important in homeopathy. So if the case history needs to be filled online once a patient pays, we can do that by clicking here. If you want to download a case history or send a case history to the patient, where a Word file opens and then it's done at ease of their time, there is a case record which can be downloaded, also available. If you have already written a case history on a piece of paper, or as I said, you can use this platform to see your patients of clinic to just simply digitize them. Just digitize them on this platform. Then you can just press upload and you are able to save a scanned document, a picture, image which you would have clicked from your phone and simply upload it here. So there is an online case record, there's a downloadable case record, and there is an option to upload a physically written case history form to here. Now, follow-up complaints. So you can just add here that what is the follow-up date? Okay. General sense of well-being, if you want to record appetite, thirst, sleep, any new complaints, you're able to record all of this. Now coming to an extremely important part, the prescription. So you simply write add, automatically today's date will come here. Then you will be simply writing, say if you want to prescribe Arnica. Okay, if I just write AR, and you can see that Arnica as a medicine, all the possible medicines or combinations, everything is preloaded. So information of more than 3,000 plus medicines is already preloaded on the system for you. You wrote that and the abbreviation came by itself. Now when it comes to say you are giving it in pill format, so pill to a level of whether you want to write size number 40, 30, you are able to write that. Okay, you are able to write the potency, you are able to write the dosage. So whether it is for 1 month in terms of period, the repetition, so 2 pills, 2 times a day, 4 times a day, once in 2 weeks, you can write what everything. You can completely create a new nothing that it needs to be preloaded here. It could be mentioned even a new thing could also, a new record also you can create. When we talk about period, whether you want the medicine to go for 1 month or 3 months, everything can be written. As soon as you save, the record automatically comes under the prescription section. If you want to give any special instructions, any diet nutrition tips, any notes which are not visible to the patient on their dashboard and for your internal records or for our internal referencing, you're able to write that. And whenever you want to set the next follow-up, the system will automatically give you a reminder. You're able to do that too. Now, these were some of the important features and functionalities that are there, which is the consultation, the case history, a quick preview, synopsis of the case history, the follow-up complaints, the prescriptions, any special instruction, and the follow-up criteria. Now, if you see this patient menu button, you can see that there's tons of functionalities here too. So quick case of the patient, case history, which health plan the patient is on, the patient's profile, the patient's personal information, follow up, the transaction history. You may find out the patient's been with you since 2 years, transacted 8 times, taken up 2 to 3 month programs multiple times with you. Some transactions failed because of some bank issue at their end, or paid you offline, paid in a bank account and have just given us acknowledgement copy. So it's still under a pending section. So you will be able to see all of that. Medically, the chief complaints, the associated complaints, the personal attributes, thermals, past medical history, surgical history, examination and measurements. All of this is here. Now, let me just go in few sections to quickly show you. For example, if I go in examination and measurements, okay? So you will be able to see here that you are able to take certain vitals of the patient and just record it online, and this is going to be with you lifetime safely on Amazon cloud servers. It's all safe, secure. What you write here, it's all there on the cloud and you can access it anyway. So height, weight, pulse rate, temperature, BMI, blood pressure, everything is here. If we go in some other sections, say, something like investigation reports. You can see there allergies, family history, life situation, childhood history. It is all here for our fellow homeopaths. So in investigation reports, again, a lot of information is preloaded. You could still write something new. So I just have to write the name, say Puneet's MRI report, and then I just have to write here, say MRI scan. If I just write, say X-ray, it's all preloaded. If I just write CBC, it's all there. So everything is preloaded. You can create any new type of name which doesn't exist here. You can see in this scroll, all the types of reports are mentioned already. Once you write that, you can write which date was that report. You are able to upload that report if you would have received in WhatsApp and email. If you want to write any comments around it, it is all there. You simply save it and it gets for the patient. Even the patient in their dashboard are able to upload their reports. So for them also, reports got torn, lost. Now all their health records, medical records can be on cloud server, safe and secure lifetime. Okay, so these are the amount of functionalities which are there. If you just, as I was mentioning about transaction history, so how many times the patient attempted a transaction, successful, unsuccessful, it's all there. So the kind of earnings you have from patients: success, pending verification, pending, cancelled, failed. So if anybody initiated it and for some reason cancelled, you will know this. So we can call the patient and say, hey, look, did you face any issue? Can I help you? We're trying to pay online and you didn't successfully complete it. We can help you with any technical issue. So all of this comes here. Now, this section that you see is a renewal reminder of the patient. And this is also another important section where everything that you or your support doctors will write, general comments, not too clinical in nature, patient follow-up done, patient feeling much better. Right from the date and the time and the second is there. Prescription updated, patient feeling much better by 90%. Overall better by 15%, slightly better, generals are normal, case taken, case record uploaded. The entire history can be written here. If you want to send some important message to your patient, rather than using your phone or anything and patients then trouble you on your personal numbers, you are able to simply write that message here and message to patient. You can choose that. If you want to send some file, some video link, some PDF file, something about their disease, simply click on upload file and then send to patient. Or if you want to send internally to the doctor for the second opinion or for your support, it is all possible from this system itself. So, dear fellow doctors, I have shown you how your front end looks and now how your backend will look, and you saw that everything that you as a doctor can want, dream, imagine, it is all here. Everything is here. There clinical records, investigation reports, past histories, their existing prescription, how to set a new prescription, how to set a reminder. Everything will be here in your back-end patient management tool. And for the patient, they are front-end clinic, which will give them faith and confidence to take your treatment and transact with you. So this is a quick demo that I have given you. And I really thank you all from the bottom of my heart for giving your valuable time, for listening to me patiently and how you can become digital. So I thank you once again.